In this video here, we're going to talk about inner rows. Now we've covered rows, columns, and if you're wondering what the heck inner rows are, don't be worried. It's a very simple extra tool at your disposal in the case that you want what they can offer. Inner rows are something that you can add to sit inside a pre-existing column to display content side by side within. Best way to describe this is to just simply show you. Let's take this larger row here on our About page, the family business. Now let's break this down. We've got our row with two columns sitting inside. Column 1 houses our image, along with the single paragraph of text beneath it, and column 2 houses our header text, our subheader, and the rest of our body text, and then finally our button. Now our row is not set to full width, as we can see by the content being constrained within 960 pixels. Now, let's say we wanted to add another button to this layout, maybe one for Contact Us and one for Read More. And we want to put it next to this current button, not above it and not beneath it. Well, how would we accomplish that? We can't add another column because that would put the button way over to the right on a separate vertical space. What we can do, however, is add an inner row. So I'm going to right click on some empty space of this column, and we're going to go to Add, and we'll select Inner Row. And if we hover our mouse over now, you can see we have almost a little mini row, if you will, containing its own set of mini columns, allowing for a whole new selection of horizontal content. It's kind of like that nesting doll game. And now we can take our button and copy it into this inner row. First thing though, we'll probably want to size it down a little bit smaller. There we go. Now let's right click on it and select Copy. And then we can easily click on either column inside to paste the button. There we go. And let's paste a second one over in this second column as well. Perfect. And then if we remove our original, our inner row then shifts up to fill its space. And just like anything else, this inner row has its own settings panel. So if you click on the inner row prompt and select Edit Design, you've got all the same customization available at your fingertips. You can adjust the sizing of the inner row, the positioning, and overall now have the freedom to place elements anywhere within columns, vertically or horizontally, in a structure made perfect for responsive sites and mobile reformatting.